Welcome to Game Maker tutorial. This is Sajil here and we are going to make a top-down simple shooting game. So here is a demo I made and let's see how it runs. Let's play. Here the plane is moving around. It's shooter. There is a random enemy. As we hit, our health decreases. As we hit, health is going down. We can shoot our enemies. There is the power up, our bullet upgrades. Those enemies are coming at random and there should be some random enemies that can shoot as we saw earlier. See this one. See, it can shoot. See, our health goes down and now we are dead. Let's see how it's made. Here is the objects. So let's start. So go to File, New. Okay, always save the project before you start. So save it. I'm going to save it as part 1. Save. Now we can add sprites. So right click, create sprite. Now we want to load the sprites from our computer. So let's add. So here are the sprites I used. I put a link in the description so you can download if you want. So let's add our player. Rename it for sprite so we can understand it's a sprite. Add the next one, which is going to our enemy number 1. In the demo I put another one, but we are going to stick with this one. Enemy number 1. Let's add our bullet. Let's add one more sprite, which is going to be our border. Just rename it as world so we can understand. So we have added our 4 basic sprites for the game. Now we can add objects. Right click, create object. Now click here and add our player sprite, rename, so here this is a object we are added, so obj for object and it's a player object. So okay, let's add another object another way. So click here. So that's also for adding an object. Rename. Sorry, I haven't added any sprite. So add our enemy sprite. Rename it as enemy number 1. Okay, let's add one more sprite another way. Go to resource, create object. Let's add our bullet, obj bullet 1. Okay, as you see, you can also use the shortcut Ctrl Shift O to create a object, select our wall sprite. Now rename. Okay, we have added our objects and sprites for our game. We will be using more sprites and objects, but we will be adding as we needed. So these are the basics objects we need for the game. So that's it for this tutorial. Next time we'll be adding events and actions to our objects and start making the game. So see you next time. SPR